white dress too small, mirror full of colors she never picked at all, smudged blue teardrop leaning on her cheek, practicing the giggle that sounds a little weak. She's the sad clown girl with the painted on smile.